Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a digital signature to all outgoing or outbound messages in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left and then go down and select Options. Now you want to select Trust Center on the left panel here, and then underneath Microsoft Outlook Trust Center, select the Trust Center Settings button, and select Email Security on the left panel, and there should be an option to add digital signature to outgoing messages. Go ahead and check mark that, and then select OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.